Chevy with a full tank rolling down Route 92. A heart full of dreams and a picture of you. Dust in the rear view, leaving the past. Two loves colliding, going nowhere fast. Met you at the diner, coffee and a smile, talking about the future and living for a while. Said we gotta run, can't stay in this place. Loving the fast lane at our own pace. Loving the fast lane, burning like a flame. Taking every curve, never